Alrighty, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella, and yeah, thank you for being here today. For this video, I will actually be talking about Ostara. Now, I'm a little bit behind. I should have done this like last year, but I'm on it now. So today we will be talking about the Ostara Sabbath. So Ostara is the spring equinox, and we are celebrating the equal length of day and night, and it falls usually on around the 20th of March. Life takes over death. So where we previously have been in the night or the darker time of the year, we're now entering the sunny, the light time of year, and yes, we're entering the fertile time of year once again. Days are now becoming longer again than nights, and it's becoming warmer again now as well. In regards to Wicca, the goddess is now in her maiden phase, and both the god and the goddess are slowly awakening, and the goddess is becoming more fertile, and we're seeing more, yeah, just that fertility rise. We're seeing nature bloom again, we're seeing flowers bloom again, you know, the snow is melting, and yeah, we see animals crawling out of their sleep, you know, their winter sleep, their winter slumbers. Birds are like back again. So of course, some correspondences for the Sabbath are green, pastel color, so pastel pink, pastel blue, pastel purple, yellows, and of course also white, and anything that is light, anything that reminds you of springtime. Some herbs that are associated with Ostara are violets, lavender, crocus, I'm probably mispronouncing that, daffodils, tulips, jasmine, roses, and peonies. Peonies? You get the idea? Some crystals that are associated with Ostara are amethyst, moonstone, rose quartz, aquamarine, and personally I also would say citrine, even though it's not the most common of associated crystals with Ostara, but I just really feel like there's that association because citrine for me is just sunny, and yeah, we're celebrating sun coming back basically. So I have actually already started decorating a little bit for Ostara. My altar is already looking quite festive. I've got some dried roses on my altar, I've got some dried little white flowers that I cannot remember the name of. I also have some candles on my altar that are the color correspondences, and I have also got a citrine on my altar. So some ideas that you could be doing, some festival ideas or some just activities for you on this Ostara would be, for example, planting seeds, and also getting rid of any kind of old clothing in your closet, you know, donating it or selling it, a spring cleaning, setting up your Ostara altar, decorating eggs, creating a bird feeder. You're celebrating fertility, you're celebrating new life. So anything that is in association with those things is something that you can be doing. So if you want to bake bread that includes, you know, fruit or seeds that are currently in season, or you want to make some dishes that include egg, for example, those are things that you can do to celebrate Ostara. Now, in regard to spell work, once again, you are bringing in that new energy. So if you are looking to do any kind of spell work, now would be the perfect time to do anything relating to fertility, of course, and of course bringing new things to you. So abundance spells would be great, or you know, you can also focus on banishing any of that dark, negative, or just energy that you just don't want in your life anymore right now, and bringing in the new. So now really this is almost as if it's the new year. We now have spring again. It's also a great time for a change of appearance, so you could be wearing these pastel colors. You could also be changing up your hair, for example. You may have noticed I am actually wearing my hair natural curly now. That's something that I will be doing as my little ritual of just letting in the new, letting in the light. And now you might be wondering, why is Ostara, which of course is also associated with the Germanic goddess Eoster, Ostern is the German word for Easter. Why do we celebrate this holiday, essentially, which is worldwide known, with eggs and bunnies and, you know, all that kind of thing? And Easter is of course a pagan celebration. So whilst of course Christianity also celebrates Easter, the origins are pagan. So when you're seeing eggs and when you're seeing bunnies and flowers as this symbol for Easter that stores are doing, and that, you know, even the church and Christianity, they're using these symbols, is because they're pagan, and it's because they represent fertility. Interestingly enough, if you associate it with Christianity, they also have that idea of renewal, of rebirth. So that is definitely something to actually read up on if you are new to Wicca and you are interested in the history of Easter and these pagan holidays and Sabbats. Then yeah, definitely check that out, look that up, research that, and write it into your book of shadows, write your thoughts with it. So yeah, that is some extra information right there. Very, very compact, of course. I could be going into much more detail, so do definitely check out the history of Easter, and let me know if you actually would like a video on more of a history of each Sabbath as well. I could definitely do that. And yeah, that is actually already it for this video. I'm assuming it's quite a short one. So, and of course, all my socials will be linked in the description box. I also have my crystal shop, my witchcrafty shop, in the description box in case you would like to check that out and support me. And yeah, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Blessed be.